Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. Do not really mind this left side of my face because I was experimenting and doing a little bit different video that is going to be uploaded on my channel pretty soon. Let me just show you a quick tutorial how you can create big lips like they're with BOTOX without using any BOTOX, a little bit of lip contour, and a little bit of lip gloss or any other lipsticks. If you're interested how to get this big and fluffy lips instead of this, keep on watching. I'm gonna be going with my soft brown lip pencil. Honestly, you can even use bright pencils, or you can use browns, any other cool tone browns, whatever you have in your makeup kit. The reason why I'm going with a soft shade is because we're gonna create a shadow, and then when we're gonna fill this in and blend out, it's gonna look so much bigger and fuller. And on top, you can go with any other lipsticks or lip colors as you want. First and foremost, we're gonna curl the lip down like that, and you're gonna see a Cupid's bow. So on top of the Cupid's bow, we're gonna place a dot. It's more like the same shape as your Cupid's bow, but a little bit smaller, kind of like V shape. Now with the same lip pencil, I'm gonna be going a little bit further, and we're not gonna connect both of those V shape and then the line that we're going to place down. What I'm going to be doing is lift the space this much, the width of my lip pencil, and then start from this point, and we're going to place it on top of my actual lip. Or if you want to bring this a little bit higher, you can even go a little bit higher. I have pretty full lips. That is the reason why I'm going to just follow my natural shape up, but on top of it, higher than their natural shape, like that. It's going to be a short line. I don't really want to drag it to the lip corner. This is it. I want to do the same thing for my left side. And again, we're going to lift some space and draw this line on top of my actual lip line. I know that a lot of Chinese TikTokers, they're creating some sort of shape over their lip, but honestly, it's pointless. It's for some reasons. If you have no idea where to start the V shape on top, you can do this trick. But I've noticed that if you just curl your lip down and create it on top of the Cupid's bow, really close to your actual Cupid's bow line of the lip, then it's pretty much great. We're gonna add a little bit more curving in this lip corners. So what you're gonna do is to get the color in your lip over this line. You're gonna create a symmetrical line, sort of symmetrical line, from the lip corner to the outer corner of your eye. Not that high, but a little bit further. I guess maybe a centimeter, like maybe 2 centimeters width. And then you're just bring this up like that. And that's it. We don't really need anything crazy. There is a slightest shadow underneath my lip. You can tell. If I close my lip or bring this up, curl it up, you can't see this. But when it's down, you can see this line in the shadow. Emphasize it with my color, like so. And now we're gonna link the outer corners, my lip corners, with this line. The difference between lip lines that we see elsewhere, maybe in Europe, is that you try to bring this up, this corners, and kind of like connect these dots a little bit higher. In this area, we're gonna create a square shape. So kind of that way. Same happens with this side. I have a pointy brush, or you can go with a small kind of rubber, or it's an eraser and makeup. And I would prefer a pointy brush because it has bristles and it's going to be so much easier to blend this out. I don't want to leave this harsh lines the way it is. We're going to start with circular motions and getting the color diffused. So we're going to go over these lines, lightly diffuse the color. And in the lip corner, I'm just doing some circular motions. And now we're going to use any color of your choice. It can be a lip gloss. It can be maybe some other shades. But just let me show you guys. This is a lip transformation. If you want this to look fluffier and bigger, this is a way out for you guys. Guys, I realized that I showed you my lip routine in the previous video, but it's a little bit different one. I did the same contour with the same lip pencil. Super soft color, and this time I don't really want to add any lip glosses. I want to show you how it's going to look with a lipstick that's going to cover your lip. I'm going to grab my Makeup Forever. This is color C105. This is Art Rouge Cream. Now you can tell it looks big and pretty. So much better. With the lip gloss, it looked a little bit artificial and looked a little weird. But with a lipstick and this lip contour, it looks natural. Like I have this huge lips. Okay guys, and this is the final result of my lip transformation. If you want to give it a try, it's really simple. Just try to pick the soft contour, lip contour. I would say maybe with other shades it's gonna work as well. I haven't tried it yet, but with something super soft like that, it's gonna look crazy big and full. You can take it off at the end of the day and have your natural lips with no injections, with no needles. I'm gonna see you in my next video, hopefully, guys. Love you all so much. Bye-bye.